Hello guys, this is Uzma Sheikh and welcome to my channel U.S Beauty. My today's video is a DIY video and I'm going to show you how to make green tea toner. And guys, I will tell you the benefits of it and you will go crazy for this toner. So I'm going to tell you first of all what it will do to your skin. It will work as anti-aging, it will make your skin soft, it will reduce your pore size, it will tighten your skin, and it will improve the skin texture of your skin, and it will also fight acne and scars, and it will improve your skin, and it will give you a refreshing glow, and it will fight all the infection of your skin if you have got any. So guys, this will be a very helpful toner video that I'm going to share with you. So let's start now. As you know what rose water does to our skin, how much benefit it gives to our skin. So what I'm going to use in it is rose water and green tea. So first of all guys, what you have to do is to make green tea. The amount of the green tea will be the amount of your toner that you will make. So I have already made the green tea. I'll show you. I have made this green tea already, and now what I'm going to do is to pour this in a bottle. I will pour this in a bottle. So as you can see, I have already poured this green tea into a bottle, and now what I will do is I will add some drops of rose water. I will add 5 to 6 drops of rose water. So I'm adding rose water in it. And I have added some drops of rose water in it, and now I will close this bottle, and what I will do next is I will shake it well so that the rose water and the green tea will mix well. So I'm shaking it well, and as you can see, the toner is ready now. You can use it after washing your face, or you can use it after removing your makeup also. Guys, I'm telling you, this green tea toner will definitely soothe your skin, and the benefits I have told you, it will give you a great result. So definitely you can make it at home as I have shown you, and you can also share this video of mine of how to make green toner with others so that they can also get this benefits of making green toner. And you don't need to buy this. Now you can make this at home and it will work great for you guys. I'm telling you, it will improve your skin texture, it will tighten your skin, it will work as an anti-aging, and it will make your skin baby soft, and it will also reduce your pore size. So girls, definitely give it a try, and please let me know whether you like it or not, and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the bell button, and also give it a thumbs up if you like this video. So thank you guys, and stay blessed.